Okay. Now I'm going to start to prepare my soil mix for planting of my grass. I'm going to take one part of the existing soil that I already have excavated out of the hole and put that into my wheelbarrow. Because there's quite a bit of clay and sand, I'm going to add some humus. We need some organic matter. This will help retain moisture and just make that a bit more richer because it's kind of sandy. So there's one part of the existing soil, one part of the humus, and one part of peat moss, which is a lightweight mix that will help these perennials root faster. It just kind of makes it a little bit lighter and not so heavy. A couple other things that I always like to add too, because it's been so dry, we're going to put about a tablespoon of this TerraSorb crystal gel. This will expand in the soil and make it nice and wet and help the soil retain moisture. So we're going to put a little bit of that in.